Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your n8n account. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official n8n website at n8n.io. Once the page loads, click on Sign In at the top right and enter your login details. After logging in, head over to the admin panel. This is where you can manage your account and workflow settings. Inside the panel, look for the option to cancel subscription. Selecting this will stop your subscription and move you toward account deletion. If you're on a free trial, you don't need to do anything. Your trial will expire automatically and all your associated data will be deleted. If you want to fully delete your account or face issues not covered by these options, contact the n8n support team through their website or community forum. They can assist you with removing your account completely. So that's basically how you can delete your n8n account. That's it for this video. Thanks.